Today we're showing you a 2006 Kubota M8540 2-wheel drive cab tractor with a front end loader. Has the Kubota LA 1353 quick attach front loader with it. Tractor has just under 1900 hours on it. Engine is pre-emission, has none of the tier 4 emissions on it. Has a 4-cylinder Kubota diesel engine. Has the skid steer cell hookup here for your bucket connection. You do have some paint out of the bucket here, but overall the tractor itself is in really nice shape. The paint's nice and bright in the hood. Loader does show some sun fade, which is pretty normal on these Kubota tractors. Front tires are good, and again does have the Kubota diesel. We did just service the tractor. Looks like it was serviced at 1890 hours. 2 doors in the cab. Mirrors on both sides. Tires are good back here. Dual remotes back here. 540 PTO, telescopic arms, has the stabilizer bars on both sides. Top link is here. You do have some paint coming off the wheels or the rims on this side. The fender on this side is also faded a bit more than the other side, so it likely was in a shed where sun hit the one side more than the other. But overall, again, a nice clean tractor. These 2-wheel drive pre-emission cab tractors are kind of hard to find out in the marketplace. And again, this one has just under 1900 hours. Suspension seat for the operator. It's nice and clean in here. Has the mechanical shuttle for forward and reverse right here. You do have to clutch to shift this. It is synchronized. Up top you've got the radio and climate controls. 4 gears here for your primary transmission lever, and then high-low range right here. And then the park gear is located to the far right there. Loader control also within easy reach. Hand throttle, rear remote levers, and 3-point controls back here. PTO is up top back there. Down below you have differential lock, foot throttle, individual brakes, kickstand for your tilt wheel, and then also the clutch pedal. It's a nice clean tractor. Again, we did just service the tractor, so it is ready for a new home. If you have questions regarding this unit or any of our other tractors on our yard, we stock approximately 150 tractors, used tractors on our yard. You can contact us at masttractor.com. We also can arrange shipping and also offer low rate financing for qualified customers.